Damos jeito nas escadas, sempre nas escadas.
Hello everyone, for today's match we have a team deathmatch, 2 teams, 5 versus 7 players.
Luís, estou aqui a ver as costas.
This time my team was in numeric disadvantage, and because we had the upper floor as our home base, the plan was to separate the team in two in order to conquer and hold the middle floor. Once I saw my teammates engaging the enemy, I tried to flank them as fast as I could, which proved to be a good idea because I caught them unaware. Seconds after, I decided to turn back to cover our flank. Unfortunately, I already had 2 players waiting for me.
¡Muerto! ¡Muerto! ¡Muerto a pasar!
After coming back from the respawn, I joined my team in an effort to get revenge on the 2 players that caught me a while ago. Sadly, I didn't celebrate for too long. When I got back in the game, I immediately found 2 adversaries, but I managed to eliminate them before I was taken down.
Não sei. Não sei. Morto! Bem jogado. Bem jogado. Morto a passar! Quer tentar descer pelas escadas? Quer tentar descer pelas escadas?
After a while, me and another teammate joined forces and started moving towards an enemy, not knowing there was the entire enemy team just behind him. When we figured that out, it was already too late. Our club rules dictates that gun hit disables the gun for the use during one lifetime. If the player holds any other gun, he can remain in the game, else he has to go back to his base.
Morto!
When I was coming from the respawn with a fellow teammate, we encountered 3 enemy players engaging other members of our team in a different location. Since we caught them by surprise, we had to eliminate them quickly before they had time to react. After
Então, mais
that,
ao fundo, mais ao
we
fundo.
gave the all clear signal to our
Tá ali.
fellow teammates to avoid any friendly fire. Since there was no goal, there was no winner, but every match is an opportunity for improvement.
Bora? Não? Posso?
I hope you liked this video. We'll see you again in the next video with the second part. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe if you are new.